Hello everyone. In this Dynasty review, I am going to be showing you brand new platform that allow you to create your e-com store within a click. Make sure you are stick with this review video till the end because I am going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can discount on every single one of them and discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you are new to my channel, I am a six-figure affiliate marketer. I do this review every single day so that you can get best offer on upcoming software and courses. If you want to purchase Dynasty, just go ahead and click that link below. Also please like this video as it is really help out to my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And also hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in, I just want to show you my bonus page. I have ton of premium bonuses for you. Bonus number 1, niche blog bundle series. Bonus number 2, cash mesh software. Bonus number 3, 4K in a day. Bonus number 4, pocket profits. Bonus number 5, traffic haste, and much more. All these bonuses are going to be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's look at the sales page here together. It says tap into the new multi-trillion dollar online store. Press one button to active your automate online store that flood us with $1,000 to $2,000 payment over and over by using varied products that sell like hotcakes. No storing product needed, everything is shipping for you, 100% done for you. Okay, that's great. Get free viral traffic from 9 untapped sources with one click, 100% automated online store that make you passive income and done for you store making thousands dollar a day. Free hosting and domain include. Yeah, that's great. You don't need any hosting and domain. Okay, and no extra fees and 1 year money back guarantee. Here is the income proof of transaction, real transaction. You can see 13 September 2021, $1,000. 12 September, $2,000, and again 12 September, $1,000. 11 September, $2,000. Yes, you can see here all the payouts. It's going to be automate everything for you step by step. Step 1, activate your store. Step 2, add product to your store. And step 3, send free traffic in one click. Here is the another income proof. You can see here. Now if you go down here to the bottom, the price point is going to be around $17. But what you can do is, if you move your mouse away, you can get a discount right there. Okay, I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to get the lowest price. Hit that like button if you like the fact that I show you the lowest price on this. So what I'm going to do now is show you a quick demo video and then I'll be back to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and the discount.
Guys, we have taken the multi-trillion-dollar online store craze into a whole new level. Way easier and faster to install. Way easier and faster to manage. Way easier and faster to profit. Like never before. We have used technology to make it easier and faster for you, purposely. Guys, welcome to Dynasty, your ultimate solution to find yourself a big slice of the multi-trillion-dollar e-commerce business pie in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, activating your store. Dynasty lets you activate a professional-looking, flexible, and easy-to-customize store in WordPress with DFY templates. It only takes you one click to do this. You just need to add a hot topic you would like to work with as a subdomain and click on Build Store. What Dynasty is doing now is activating your professional-looking, flexible, and easy-to-customize store in WordPress with DFY templates. The fastest ever, guys. Yes, you don't have to deal with domain or hosting. You don't have to deal with WordPress installations, plugins, or themes. Everything is set up for you with just one click and in less than a minute. And there you have your store installed, guys. You can delete it, log into it, and if you don't want it to be on our subdomain, you can integrate into a new or an existing domain of your choice. How cool is that? If you would like to buy a new domain and integrate your store to it, we understand how hard it could be to come up with a good domain name. I myself have spent hours and even days to come up with a good domain name idea. But with Dynasty, you have a really nice domain finder where you can easily come up with really nice domain name ideas instantly available to purchase. You just add a niche keyword here, and you will see a bunch of awesome domain ideas and the most popular domain name extensions available for purchase in just seconds. You can just buy it and then integrate it into your store in just seconds too. Here you are in your store WordPress dashboard, a 100% clean, peaceful, and ads-free WordPress installation. And what we have installed for you is a pro WordPress theme you won't find for free anywhere else online. You have it free of charge with Dynasty. And why not just use a free WordPress theme? Well, simply because free themes are not 100% professional, and they make you just waste your time, guys. As you notice, you have up to 4 professional-looking, ready to plug-and-play DFY demo sites you can install in just a click and be able to easily customize in just minutes. But we have gone above and beyond, guys, and have made it even easier for you. We have customized a store demo site which will make it a lot easier for you to get stuff done and profit a lot faster. And you just need to import it by using the easiest ever WordPress migration plugin, which comes with the WordPress installation. And there you have your site 100% ready to start adding ready-to-profit products and everything done in less than a minute. Yes, guys, the site is empty, but you will be shocked with what I'm about to do in Step 2. Step 2, adding products to your store. Dynasty lets you add hundreds of ready-to-profit products in less than a minute as well. And yes, you don't have to deal with inventory or anything like that. Here inside your WordPress installation, we have provided you with a customized WordPress plugin which will do all of the magic for you. Here you will be adding a magic link which I will show you how to create inside the training workshop, and yes, it also takes you less than a minute to set it up. And what's even cooler is the fact that this link comes with dozens of ready-to-profit products already integrated with your affiliate ID. You then just need to decide how you want the information of each product to be displayed on your post, and click on Start Import. Then the plugin will do all the magic for you without you doing absolutely anything. You don't have to go and pick any products online. You don't have to download any relevant images. You don't have to create any content for the post. You don't have to add your affiliate links to each and every one of the posts. You don't have to create any posts either. It's all done on complete autopilot. And there you have it. You just need to refresh the page and everything will be there for you. Look at this, guys. This is a professional-looking, high-converting, and fun, ready-to-profit store with ready-to-profit products, all of them integrated with my own affiliate link. And I was able to do this in less than a minute. But things don't stop here, guys. We have also created something out of this world related to traffic generation. Step number 3, sending free buyer traffic in one click. Dynasty lets you place your store in front of as many buyer eyes as you want in less than a minute. And you guys can do this in up to 9 viral buyer traffic platforms at the same time. Yeah, this is nuts. The traffic engine you see here will let you send free buyer traffic in one click at the same time to Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger, WordPress.com, and to your WordPress self-hosted sites by using the different high-converting formats, which are text, link, image, HTML, and video. And on top of that, we have also prepared 2 automation power tools to automate your Facebook and Messenger marketing to levels never thought possible. Guys, this is it. This in reality is your ultimate chance to find yourself a big slice of the multi-trillion-dollar e-commerce business pie in just 3 simple steps, the quick and easy way. And on top of that, we will grab you by the hand and show you step by step over our shoulder how to profit with this faster than ever, like no other app would do for you. See you guys inside.
Here is the list of all the upgrades and OTOs. OTOs 1, Dynasty Unlimited. You get to create unlimited online store with Dynasty instead of just 5, and all limits are removed alongside with it. And this is OTO number 2, Dynasty Done For You. Will do all the work for you in setting up your online superstore, so it's ready to start churning out $1,000 payments over and over. This is the OTOs number 3, Dynasty 1 hour profits. Don't want to wait 1 week for results? Then don't use this upgrade to speed up your progress so you can profit within 1 hour. And this is OTOs number. You can get the ability to tap into my millions visitor traffic source and send 500 to 1000 targeted visitor you to your online store daily. And this is the OTOs number 5, Dynasty Diamond Edition. You'll get to clone 12 extra of my online store that they are producing predictable income for me daily. And this is the last OTOs, OTO 6. This will allow you to sell Dynasty and keep 100% commission across the entire funnel. So all the different OTOs are completely optional. Pick and choose which one you want and forget that one that you don't. Okay, so thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to purchase, just go ahead and click that link below. Also please like this video as it is really help out to my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thank you so much.